So hello guys, this is Mr. Miko Arten and with Shin again and again. We're playing Subconscious. So let's get right through it. Thank you sa horror game. Yeah, same as always. Uy! Ito wala eh. Saan ka? Tara. Mga investigators. Okay, entering game. I don't know what to do here. This game contains yeah. Okay. Subconscious. These are my dreams look like. These are what my dreams look like. What? Yeah. Wow. That's also my dream looks like. Black. Black screen. Oi. Pow. I haven't been able to dream for nearly 2 years. I don't know why. I don't know also. But today I think that's going to change. Finally, it's time to wake up. It's ringing. I can hear the ringing. I can hear the ringing. Junibsin. Ah, sa akin, Mr. Mikar na maliit. Tingin? Oo, ay. Kasi ang laki. You're testing them. But they said, okay. Take your medicine. Baka ano tayo, mental ill. Wow! Okay. Hindi pwede mag-crouch. Close. What time is it? It's 12 o'clock! Oh! Shit. Pangat na. Uy! I didn't know this. Parang backrooms to. Oo nga! Backrooms. So vivid. I can't believe it. Ganda oh. May episode 2 na kasi. May episode 2 yung game. But we're playing the part 1. Kasi yun nga. It's first time playing it. But maybe we played it before but hindi ko lang matandaan. Bilis oh! May mga habol dito Casey. Nag-split tayo ulit. Okay. Dito ako sa taas. Nakapasok ka na agad? Tumili pa ako. May hagdan. What the heck? Entering game. Uy. Pwede mag-run? How can I open flashlight? F? Yes. Basado mo to Casey? Caution, watch for hot stream. Patay. Ito ba na way to shut those pipe? Ang galing mo, boy! Nagulat ako sa pipe. Hindi siya papasok doon, paglabas mo lang. Nice one. Let's go. Naglalakad ka, nakita kita. Eh? Eh? Reporting please wait, nag-bug. What the heck? Entering game. Ang daming teleporting, what the heck? Bug. Is that where? Pwede naman to na record eh. Okay na na lang natin. Baka tamang ano lang gaming lang to. Hey. Asan ka? Go! Parkour! Do backflip! Boogs! Una ka. Wee! 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 Checkpoint. Wee! Wee! Speedrun. Wee! Wee! Let's go. 360 backflip. Oh! Wee! Wee! Dito na lang pala. Kaya ba? Hindi. Wee! Boogs. Kaya ba doon? Ba't parang hirap? Dahil kasi nakatalong ka dyan? Try kasi. Parang kabado ako minsan. White. But this is blue. Turning dreams into reality. Elevator? May sisit... Ay, hindi. Boses lang. Sound lang. Sana may sound. If walang sound, tagaman ng sound. Elevator sound. Ah, wala na pala. Don't do it. May araw na. Don't do it. But, palitan mo na extreme. And, stop. Ayan. Hindi makalis. F, G, H, I, J. Kaya ko... Eh? I'm checking every room. I never like working here. Workplace mo to? Hindi ka na-depress dito. J. Walang name. Is this one? $312. Ito. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Ang galing oh. D7. Balik. Wrong way. Tama. D 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7. Alam ko na. Saan ikaw? Layo mo. Manda na ba dito? Yes, sir.
A18.
A18?
Yes po.
K2. K2. Second. What the heck? May ano pala, may shape pala doon. Hindi kayo naaalala. Koval. Grabe yun. Ni-store mo isa-isa, no? Kasi cut this type, i-ano mo siya,
Star square.
speed run.
Star square.
Star Square.
Yeah, X is square.
Star Square. Okay na.
Ay, good thing. Nakikita na ako kakatik na box.
Open yung elevator. This elevator. Elevator? Where's the U? Ay! Assassin yan! Tinitingnan ako eh. That. Ano lang, yung pinagkakaiba doon, triangle tapos circle. No,
Ew.
flashlight. Parang tinapon yung body natin. Oh, shit. Ano to?
Background to.
Walang momo. Di ba na jumpscare? Parang task lang eh. Subconscious. Kasi meron. Find the toys. 4 toys. Like, why did I even get scared of that?
Ilang toys na? Meron ako 1 toy. Ikaw.
Oh, check! Ooh, yung moves.
Kinain ako.
How can I go there? Oh! Hanggang kasi. Kaso nag-iikot-ikot siya, kailangan mo siyang iwanan sa ere.
Nakuha ka?
Yeah.
Ilan na? Ilan na nakuha mo ulit?
Isa.
Okay, so tatlo na meron tayo.
Eh? Oh, that's the escape one. I think meron rin dito. Yun dyan sa may bata. If wala, Ay, nakita mo na pala.
Go, go,
Yung,
go, go, go.
open na. Yun sa may bata, naiwanan ko nga siya eh. Kaya isa na lang, no? Whee!
Yeah.
Teleporting. Slide! Balik. Joke lang.
Meron na phobia.
Welcome to the gallery. All from each dream just keep getting weirder. So weird. So weird.
Ito tayo,
So weird. Exit agad? Saan? Sa yung mga statues? Where? Nahilo. So, what are we going here? Wala dito. Antique. I'm seeing upstairs area. Ooh! Dali, dali, dali! Antique, antique, antique! Oh, angas! Oh my god! Una ko, una ko.
Wow!
Shit. Ang galing na. Ano, una ka nga.
Angas! Ay, grabe.
Yogi! It's a part of the game. Ay! Nagulit! Gopal! Hindi na natuto. Pwede. Ay! Oh! Okay. Wow! Grabing OB yarn.
Ay, kanina pa ako nahulog.
Yan na. First try! Boog!
Ayun, nabubulok ako.
Wow, a painting of a horse na guy. Nice. Uy, may mga upuan. There's a 2 room. What's this? Uy! Ay, hi.
Yun.
No!
Kaya, bila-bila kasi. Nahulog tuloy ako.
Oops. Oops. Uy! Ano to? Statue of Liberty. OB pala tong laro na to. Lala. OB yung laro. Pero may something din. It's a dream. Oh shit. Wait, I wanna look around. Ba't ako nag-bounce? Oh no! Parang anytime mahulog ako. Hindi ako balance. Ay! Agay!
Grabe nung ano.
Uy! Ulit ako. Speedrun. Speedrun. Nagawa mo? Do it. Ay, nawala ulit.
Okay, nagawa ko. Yes!
Nice one.
Restart ka.
That's bakit? Hindi, automatic. What's this? Huh? Store painting. Ito. Yung mga painting na to. Then. I wanna choose the girl. At ito, nakita ko. Ay, hindi. No. Where's the girl? Ito, yung kabayo. Wow. I wanna find the girl. This also. Makikita ko yun sa parachute. Thingy. Oh, maybe it's not a parachute. Para siyang light na... alam ko yan. Nakita ko yan. Sa harap. Weird guy. Tapos mag-open, ha? Let's go! Nothing weird happened, just something creepy. May mga jump scared. Oh! Okay. What's this? Eh? Parang na naginip, man. Ay. Nasa void na tayo. Those windows. Is that my apartment? Oo nga no. Tapos bigla magsasara to. Joke lang. I'm predicting the prediction is yan. Dito malinis. Ay, madumi. Ayan, silipin na natin. Huy, ini-stock ko sarili ko? Uy, what the heck, man? Masutik! What's this?
Yung mga mannequin sa ginagawa.
Namatay ka? Just jump scared, right? Ooh! Backrooms nga.
Kailangan natin ng
They're following the path? Wala ng path. What the fuck, man? I cannot look at you. Oh my god. Pre! Nagugulatin ako. Oh, inulit-ulit. Mahamatay na ako.
Huwag mo sila, hawakan at tignan.
Putik, patay ako. Uy, oh! Ayun, ata yung place sa unang place. Told ya. Unang place. Sinulat ako ng 1 million times. Di ba?
Huwag mo sila tignan. Down.
Wala dun. Ay! Oh, tragis ka. Nakita ko na, Casey.
Hey.
Bakit kahit ilang beses siya ako gulatin, nagugulat ako? Ang lala. Oh my god. Nagugulat ako. What the heck?
Sobrang daming teleporte, baka umaasa dito, Diyos ko.
Machine. What? Grab. Kasi I cannot grab. Ay, meron na pala. Oh, shit. Saan naman yan, ya? Oh, shit. Stop, Casey. Kasi ano saan daw lalagay? Vending machine?
No.
Para sa akin, pinaka corner ng game na to. Pero wala. Middle? Kasi nagamit mo na yung ano mo. Yeah?
No.
Wala kang dala? Ba't na wala? I'm back. Machine! Oops! Nice one! Kasi alis ka na. Basta tayo. Nice one. Lupit! Kahit sino sa atin. Thank you. My God. Gali, maglilibot pa ako. Ang daming part na yan. So, andito naman tayo sa lights. To street lights. And outside. It's rainy outside. I'm home. May mga puddle. Alam na kung saan papasok. Siyempre sa may ilaw lang. I should go to my apartment, top floor of the building. Of course. Go to your apartment. Apartment? Apartment? No. No. Pinakat to. May natutulog eh. Wala ako to. Ikaw din, Casey? Saya? Par, gising par. Nananaginip ka, tol. Hold. Hold daw eh.
Episode 1 award.
Tapos namin. Oh my God.
Hindi, sa episode 2 pa.
End of episode 1. May episode 2 kaso next time na namin gagawin yan. And the part. So this is the part 2. So yeah, I will do this soon. But thank you for watching now, and I hope you have a nice day and enjoy my video. Thank you so much and bye bye.
Drop the beat. Alright. Y'all can rock with this. Look. 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 Ha. Ha. What the hell is this? Are you rapping? This cannot be human. How are you moving like that? Yo! Oh my god! What is that?